Hi, today we're going to take a look at triangle angle-side relationships. So there is a connection between an angle and a side within a triangle. When you have a small side, that also means you have a small angle. So 7, 8, 9, 7's my smallest side. That angle opposite of it is going to be my smallest angle. And we want to put these things in order, so we're going to say angle E will come first. My next smallest side is 8. We're going to look opposite of that 8. We're going to come up with angle F. That's our middle angle. And our largest angle, look for the largest side. Across from that, we've got angle D. So we just put that in order from smallest to largest, finding that connection between side and angle. Now, what if we're given just two angles? Well, we know within a triangle, all of our angles add up to 180 degrees. If I already have 45 and then 55, what's that mystery to give me 180? Well, these two, when we add them up, we get 100 plus x, and that ends up being 80 degrees. Okay, so we know that. That helps us to put things in order. So we want to find sides, shortest to longest. So I want to find my shortest angle or my smallest angle. That's 45. Opposite will be a shortest side. We're going to say QR is my first side, my smallest. My next smallest angle is 55. Opposite that will be my middle length, PQ. And then my largest angle is 80. Opposite that is PR. And we've got, again, that same relationship with our angles, putting them in order. Okay, what about this last one? So now I have variables in all of our angles. I don't know what the angles are. I don't know what the sides are. But I still need to put the sides and the angles in order. Before I do any of that, I got to figure out what the angles are. So we could do this the hard way, or I guess the long hard way, or the shorter way. Long way is, let's add all of our angles up. We could say 2x plus 1 plus x plus 5 plus x minus 2 equals 180. This is going to be a long drawn out way. There is a shorter way right after I do this. So let's put this all together. 2x plus x gives us 4x. 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 2 is 4, equals 180, minus 4x, 176, divide, x ends up equaling 44. Okay, I take that 44, I need to plug it back in for all of these. So 44 all the way up here. 2 times 44 is 88, plus 1 is 89. 44 minus 2 will give me 42. 44 plus 5 is 49. So we have our three measurements. I'm going to get rid of all this. We can put everything in order now. Well, before I do that, is there another way that I could think about this? Well, let's just think if we have the variable x, I'm taking something away, I'm adding something. I know if I take something away, this has to be smaller than adding something. So I already have an order of something right here. I already know that angle A is smaller than if I added 5 to that x. I also know that if I have x and I double it, it's going to be bigger than one of these. So it's another way of looking at it. Okay, we have our angles, and when we look at the actual measurements that we plug in, 42, 49, 89, they work in order. Now, how about our sides? Shortest side. We have shortest angle, 42. Over here, we have BC, smallest. Next is 49. That'll be AB. Biggest angle, 89. Opposite that is going to be AC. And we've got small to large, both angle and side. And that's using the triangle angle side relationships.